And as I remember this,
starting my day helping out the neighbor. Because I'm a nice guy. I can't just leave my neighbors hanging. They're always all cool and things like that. Try it now. Oh, I gotta read you guys something too. You guys are probably not gonna be too happy. Well, not happy, just you gotta wait now. Anyway, yeah, my neighbor likes to sit in his car, like it's weird, and talk on his phone for like an hour or two or so, and I guarantee you he's gonna do it like again, and his battery drains because he doesn't turn the car on. I think I've told him that like at least 8 times because this is like the 8th time I've had to jump his car. So I don't know. Just remember, when you're sitting in your car, start the car every once in a while. If you're gonna be sitting in there with the radio going and things like that, just chilling, leaning back. You know, no, I'm kidding. But yeah. So anyway, I gotta read you a. Oh, first of all, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I gotta read you guys an email that I got from Gen Racer. And it's completely not their fault. I'm glad they emailed me. This is what Gen Racer does. Whenever there's an issue or something like that, they will email you just to let you know. In this case, it's about the infamous part that I keep telling you guys about. So I'm gonna head to the gym, then I'll read you that email. Sorry it's so dark, you can barely see my face. Now you can, but I'm driving. So I'll read you that email when I'm done at the gym. So guys, one thing I actually do gotta check out, which I haven't checked since I put it in really, is that oil catch can. See if it's catching any oil, and if it's not, I think that actually is a good thing. So let's check that out actually. Ooh, look at that. Nice dirty engine. Alright, so let's see here. We've got perfect. No oil, at least not up to here anyway. Appears to be doing its job actually, and on the blow-off valve there's no new oil there either, so that tells me that that was the line that was actually leaking. And oh, sorry, my bad. That was actually the line that was leaking the oil from the turbo, the inlet, whatever it's called, line. So thank God that that's actually fixed and we don't have to worry about that. So when I get out of the gym as well, I got to actually check the oil level because I haven't checked that since I put the oil catch can in either. So just to see where it's at and just to make sure that it's you know, not too low. I have to actually drive to New Jersey tomorrow for work, and I'm not looking forward to that because I got to be there until Wednesday. And Wednesday is my daughter's birthday, and it's Valentine's Day, and I still got to get Lisa something for Valentine's Day, and something for Cam's birthday. Well, no, she got Knicks tickets. No, we're good. Sorry, Porzingis. Knicks Celtics. Anyway, so yeah, when I get out of the gym, we'll check the oil level, and then we'll also I'll read you that email that I got from Gen Racer. So yeah, until I get back out, it's leg day today, so yeah, my legs. Yeah, you know, gotta do legs. So guess what? I might be breaking some rules by doing this, but like yeah, that rule right there, photography is strictly prohibited. But I missed you guys. I don't know. I just figured wanted to say hi. I haven't taken you guys in the gym for you. A lot of you who don't know, I actually do work out a lot. Unfortunately, with my daughter's basketball schedule, I noticed for the month of January, I was only here 17 times. Thanks a lot, Cam. You guys better win in the state playoffs this year. I know it's your freshman year, but still, you know, you're killing my workouts. So, you know. All right, let me get going, or finish, or something. It's leg day. Okay guys, so I just finished up at the gym. You know, I know I'm not supposed to film in there, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing and just up to today and things like that. Got to check the oil before I leave here, so you're going to help me do that. And then I just want to see where it's at level wise. You know, I got 142,000 miles on my car, so you know, I might be burning oil anyway, but we'll see though. Let's see. Alright guys, as you saw, the oil level is good, so that means A, the leak that I had was from that oil line that leads to the turbo down to the oil filter, so and obviously I fixed that a few videos ago, so that's good. Not getting any oil coming out of the blow-off valve like I said before, so that's also good. And yeah, so we fixed it. Yes! So I gotta head to the gas station. I'm kind of having an issue, and I'm trying to figure it. I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out when I put gas in and then go to start the car. You'll see what happens when I get there. All right, guys. Before I get to the gas station, I just want to show you something, just so you guys see this. So, as you guys can see, I'm idling perfectly fine right now. So, well, let's see what happens. Alright guys, let's see if we can replicate this. Ready? Here we go. Oh! Okay, now I feel stupid. I'll explain it to you guys in a second. Gas station is... Alright guys, so let me just explain that to you really quick. So what was happening before was, I put gas in my gas tank and then go to start the car, and and it didn't want to start, almost like there was no gas in the car. And then when it would start, the RPMs would just drop all the way off, drop all the way down and shut off. And then what would happen was I'd have to start it, put my foot on the gas, and kind of just hold it, and then take my foot off, and then eventually, like after a couple seconds, it would just hold, and then be fine. And then after that, I would start my car, and it was like nothing happened. So I'm assuming it's because I tend to have a bad habit of leaving the car running and putting gas in the car at the same time. But I've done that for years. I don't know why all of a sudden it would do that, but clearly it didn't do that. I shut the car completely off, filled the car up, because again, I gotta drive to New Jersey tomorrow, and it started up. So I guess I'll never know, but I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna order a new fuel pump, because of the upgrades I'm doing anyway. So, you know, let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know if you think I should order a new fuel pump down in the comment section. I know, you guys are waiting to hear about that email from Gen Racer. I'll get to it in a few minutes. I just want to show you something else, which has to do with the block and things like that. Nothing's wrong with the block. Whoa, got dark in here really quick. Whew. Okay, nothing's wrong with the block. I just the K1 rods, they don't actually come with torque specs, which is weird to me. I actually had to look up the torque specs, which is fine, but yeah, they have their own like unique. Well, I don't even really need to show you unless you really want to see the block. There's the block right there, you know. But it didn't come with torque specs. And basically, when I did look it up, it wanted like, they have two unique ways of doing it. Not two, but like, well, they have a preferred way of doing it, and then the other way, which is torquing them down at 25 foot-pounds of torque. Because they're the ARP 2000 rod bolts. Was I saying studs? I don't know. Anyway, ARP rod bolts, the 2000-14s, and sorry. Basically, they have one way which they prefer, and the other way which is 25 foot-pounds of torque and like at a 55-degree angle, which I have to figure out what the 55-degree angle is all about, and then I'll torque those down. But it's not really an issue. It's just, you know, put the torque specs in there so that way, you know, people don't have to go searching for that. I don't know if that's K1's fault or if it's, and I think actually K1's owned by Wiseco, not sure, I forgot, or if that's ARP. But, you know, just so you guys know, if you do buy those ARP rod bolts, and maybe they may or may not come with the torque specs. So that is a quick public service announcement. Now let's get to that what? I need a yogurt or something. I just came from the gym. What do you expect? All right, let me get that that email for you. And hold on, because I actually have to work today. Which I'm not too happy about, but you know, I'm going in to help somebody else out. So alright guys, anyway, I found the email and I'm eating my yogurt. Anyway, so this is a message from Gen Racer about part of my order. It reads, Charles, upon checking up on this back order for the blank has now pushed the date to the middle of March. Yeah. Please let us know if you need us to change anything. Jeff. Well, Jeff, as I responded before, no, I don't need to change it. I don't need to change anything. I can wait till the middle of March for that particular part. You know, Gen Racer, I know they're not paying me to say any of this, actually, but you know, they're a very good company. They do like to keep up with their customers and things like that, make sure everything's going well, and they send you emails like this, just to, you know, let you know what's going on with your order. There are some companies that'll just kind of leave you hanging. They don't. So, like I keep telling you guys, if you have a Genesis Coupe or a 240, and there's some other cars too that they work on, go ahead, check out Gen Racer. It's www.genracer.com. Part of the other reason why I use them is because they're only like 2 or 3 towns over, so my orders tend to come really quick, and you know, so that's why I use them. So anyway, I'm gonna have to end the video here for today. Like I said, I have to go to work, but you know, before I end the video, again, like I always do, I do want to thank you guys for continuing to come back and watch. Today's video was a little different. Obviously, I was like at the gym and things like that, and it's rare that I actually bring the camera there because obviously you see I broke the rules, but it was for you guys. But you know, I just want to show you guys that, you know, aside from vlogging and things like that for you guys, I do work hard on other things too. I think it's good to just show that side of me. You know, I have goals, and you know, obviously me going to the gym, that's always a goal for me, as well as just growing the channel. You know, I want to be at 10,000, 50,000, 100, a million subscribers, but I can't do that unless I'm putting out, you know, quality videos and keeping you guys entertained and just doing things differently, and you know, just commenting and talking to you guys. So that's my goal. My goal is at some point to be at 1 million subscribers. And the only way I can do that is with you guys watching, you guys subscribing, telling your friends about me, and things like that. So I do want to say thank you. Anybody new, welcome to the channel, you know, and make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, it's that little button down here if you're on a cell phone, or you know, at the end of the video, you know, I have that, you know, my face, this niceness. So anyway, like I said, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace. What am I ordering? Oh, still haven't figured it out? Still not telling you. Peace.